Alright, I'm doing a bike check on a 2009 Eastern Element. Start at the front. We got Shadow Conspiracy bars with Odyssey, Aaron Ross, keyboard grips, and some blue dots. Don't know why they're blue, but we got the Eastern choker stem, Eastern nitrous forks, a Kenda tire, Eastern rim, Cane Creek headset, Element frame, Pimo pedals, Eastern cranks, Eastern Medusa sprocket. This is a regular chain. Shadow Conspiracy seat bar, a Rogue Status pivotal seat, a Kenda back tire, Eastern Eastern bidirectional back rim, and that's about it.